Hey guys, we're unboxing for Drape Fit today. This is our 4th shipment from Drape Fit, and we've gotten some really good things. I'm really excited to continue getting these boxes because I've kept a lot from them, and everything has fit so well, and I really love the price and like whole experience that you get with Drape Fit. It just you're getting such a great deal with it. It's affordable, but you get like that stitch fix kind of experience with your personal stylist. Like I've said it in my other videos with Drape Fit, and if you haven't watched those, go back and watch them because they have some really good stuff. So I'm really excited to get into this. So let's open it and see what we got. Alright, so I cut the tape, and then you open the box, and you get your little card right on top. It's your little information envelope here, and it has everything that you need in it. Only if you can get it out. Alright, and it says it has your price list for all your items. Put that over here. And then you get your little note from your stylist. This is my absolute favorite part of the whole Drape Fit experience, is getting your little note from your personal stylist. It says, "Hi Candy, it's Paulette, and I'm styling your 4th fit box. For you, I picked out a pair of blue denim shorts that can be paired with either the pink sleeveless tank top, the yellow sleeveless crop top, or be bold and try it with the pink embroidered top." Oh my gosh, this sounds so amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. I also added a white smocked textured V-neck dress. Oh, that sounds pretty. I hope you are delighted and can't wait to read your feedback. Please feel free to take photos of yourself in your new fits. They can be either emailed or you can share them on your Instagram page. So I love that. That is like my favorite thing, is just getting your little personal note from your stylist that they sit down and they type out, and they actually look at your profile and your reviews and see what you actually want to receive in your boxes. So I'm really excited to see what is in here. So let's open it. They're right in. And we have everything folded up so nicely. Right here on top is, I think, that white dress. Oh, it seems so pretty. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Is that not so cute and perfect for summer? Oh my god, it's got like a stretchy top and then flowy on the bottom. Oh my gosh, I love that. I cannot wait to try that on. That'll even be really cute just to slip on over like a bathing suit or something this summer. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about that. Okay. And then next is this little embroidered pink top that they were talking about. I love the colors. I think these colors look really good with my skin tone and my hair and my eyes. So that's going to be really cute. And then I got a yellow crop top. Oh my god, this just screams summer. Like, I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my god, this is perfect. Look at the little details down the front, and then it ties in the back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is going to be gorgeous this summer. I'm so excited about that. And yellow is one of my favorite colors. So, and then here is another pink tank top, and it says "Make Moves" on it. Several times in different colors down the front. Just a casual little comfy top. And then we have our denim shorts, and they're stretchy, and they look like they are going to be super comfortable, and it looks like they're going to fit me really well. I like how, you know, you've got extra room here through the hip, but then it kind of comes in and is a little smaller in the waist, so it'll kind of snatch you in. And it's got the distressed look on the front of it. I really, really like those. I'm so excited about that. And then you have back what you don't want. So, oh my God, just a perfect little box of summer. So I'm really excited about trying these on. So let's get to it. Okay, so I didn't go over brands when I was unboxing, so I'm gonna do that now. These shorts are the actual Drape Fit brand. I didn't know they had their own brand, but it has a Drape Fit tag in the back, and the top is from the Old Navy Active line, and it's such a very comfortable, lightweight summer top. And these shorts, they look like they were just made for me. Do they not? Like, they just fit like they were made just for me. Like, they're so comfortable, and I love the distressed look, and they're just perfect. Like, they're just absolutely perfect. Like, they fit my thighs and my waist. Like, I think it's so great for the summer. And this top has make moves on it and all the different colors, just fun summer colors, and nice comfy little lightweight top for summer. So perfect. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to try the embroidered pink top to see what that looks like, because we've got this little casual look with this, and the little embroidered pink top I think is going to make it look a little dressier. Okay, now here it is with this little embroidered pink top. I think it looks so cute. You could throw on some little heels or some dressy sandals and have a little more of a dressed up look. It is very see-through, so you'd have to wear a little tank underneath it. But I love the embroidery right here and the tie, and I love the colors. And I like how it cuts up on the sides. That brings some shape back to it. If it just was cut like straight across, you would kind of lose your shape. But with it coming up on the sides, kind of brings it back together for you. So I love these colors, and I think they are so pretty. So I really like the way this one looks. I think I like this one better than I do the first one I tried on, just because this is more my style, and I can see myself wearing this more often. But what I'm really excited about is that yellow top. So let's try on that yellow top, because I think that is going to look perfect. Oh my goodness, I love this. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, and this is just perfect for summer. Like, you can't even argue with me on this, because this is like the perfect little summer outfit with some little sandals, some cute jewelry. Like, this is just a perfect little summer outfit. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. It is cut all the way up the top, and then you've got the tie back here, and it kind of comes in right here at the waist to bring you some structure, and I just love it. It looks really good with these jean shorts, and this is just my whole entire vibe this summer. Like, this right here. Like, I just love this look. It's so freaking cute. I cannot wait to wear this one out and about, because this is just a perfect little summer outfit. It is so cute. The top is by the brand Unbox, and I've already got a few things like button it if you don't want to show as much, but I like it open. I just think it makes it really cute. And the same thing in the back. It's got a button right here, and you can clasp it if you don't want the back to be open. And then it's got a little tie up here. I just love this. It's double lined, so you don't have to worry about any show through or anything. And it's just, the top is got these little stretchy lines through it, and it's got these little small ruffles around the edges of the sleeve and on the neckline and down the back. And then it just pulls you all in right here, and then it's just got these little ruffles down at the bottom. I love this. Oh my God. I'm so excited to wear this. I'm going to the beach in a couple of weeks, and I think this is going to be absolutely perfect to wear like on a little date night out or something while we're there. This is so pretty, and it fits me so good. A lot of times when I get dresses and skirts and stuff, the length is not right on me because I'm so short, but this is absolutely perfect. It fits so good. It is by the brand Hayden. I've never heard of that brand, but this dress is just adorable. I freaking love it. So this has been an amazing box. So let's get changed back into what I was in, and then we're going to talk prices on everything. Okay, so let's talk prices. The jean shorts are $24.99. The blue pepper tie neck embroidered top is $26.99. The ruffle sleeveless crop top is $24.99. The Hayden smocked textured v-neck dress is $29.99, and the Old Navy active tank top is $23.99. So absolutely nothing in the shipment was over $30. My subtotal is $130.95, but if I keep everything, I get a 25% off discount, and that would make it $107.51. So if you keep everything, you get a 25% off discount, and you save quite a bit of money doing that. So I love that they offer that. It's really great. So if you don't already get Drape Fit, I'm going to put the link down in the description box, and you can click that link and sign up for your very own Drape Fit box. They offer free shipping and returns. Like I said, you get the 25% off if you keep everything in your box. It's amazingly affordable. You get a personal stylist. Like, when most boxes are $100 per item, everything in this box was $100. So you get 5 items for the same price that you would only get one item in some other boxes. So I love how affordable they are. I love that they have the personal touch. I love the variety of things we got. I like that we got casual, we got kind of dressy casual, we've got this cute little like perfect summer top, and I love that they have their own line of clothes because I love these shorts. They fit me really good, and this white dress is just, it's heaven. It's just absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to wear that one out. But yes, if you are thinking about signing up for your own box, I have really enjoyed it. I have had a really good experience. If you watch all of my Drape Fit unboxings from the very beginning, you'll see around Christmas we did have some hiccups, but I explained that in my videos, and everything has been really smooth and going great since then, and they are great at communicating. They have a 24/7 support. You can email them, you can call them. I think even on their website they have a chat option. So anytime I've had a question and I've emailed them, and they have gotten back to me within a day or two. So it's been really great experience for me, and I love showing you guys affordable fashion, affordable subscription services. Where can we save money but still look trendy? And I think they've got it covered over here at Drape Fit. So, and I think if you haven't signed up, then maybe you should give them a try, because I've really loved it and had a really good experience. And like I said, they're just great at communicating, and obviously know style really well, because these things, I would wear everything. I would wear everything in this box. It's really pretty. It fits me all so well. And I love that we get brands that we know, like Old Navy. We know that. I think in another one we've got some other brands that you know from just the actual storefront. So I love that we're getting brands that you would recognize, that you maybe go into those stores and shop yourself, and now they're coming in our box. So you don't have to necessarily go out and try on all those clothes in the store. I hate doing that. That gives me anxiety. That's why I love clothing subscriptions. It comes right to my door. I can try it on, what I don't want, what I don't like, what doesn't fit me, I can just send back. And I don't have to worry about going in the store and going, if something doesn't work, going back and getting the right size and then coming back and trying that on. I don't have to worry about that. It's all right here. And with Drape Fit, they have an exchange service. So if like I needed a bigger size and say the shorts, I could just, when I go on and check out for my reviews and my whole checkout process, which is all one process, when I would go and do all that, then I can just put in that I want to exchange it for, say, a bigger size. And then I would just put this in my return bag, and then they'll send me the right size. So I haven't had to do that yet, but they do offer it, which I absolutely love that they offer that. So that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and try on. And if you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up and leave me some love down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite thing in the box was, because I'm really torn between the yellow top and the white dress. I absolutely love both of those things. So let me know which one you like best, the white dress or the yellow top. Leave me a yellow heart for the yellow top and leave me a white heart for the white dress, because I can't decide. I absolutely love those two things, and I can't decide which one is my favorite. So let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, and while you're there, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.